Nightwatch allows you to dynamically filter keywords based on their different properties. Here's how you can filter keywords. At the left sidebar of your website's dashboard, click Keywords. Then, at the bottom section of the Keywords page, click the gray Filters button. Here, you can select your field and conditions for your filter. Once you're done selecting the conditions of your filter, click Save and input a name. Then your custom filter will show up on the left sidebar for quick access. Great, now you can pick and choose which keyword data is most important to you so you can analyze it quicker and more accurately.